instead of moving exactly towards north, it takes a turn this way. Similarly, if it comes towards south, it takes a turn towards. So it does not move right angle to the or parallel to the longitudes. It moves at an angle, This angle varies. So this deflection, which deflection? In the northern hemisphere, it is to east. This is on the upper troposphere. We are talking about upper troposphere. In the southern hemisphere, it is towards east. You see, rising up towards east, rising up towards east. समझे कि नहीं समझे? So this deflection is because of a phenomena called Coriolis effect. Coriolis effect or Coriolis force. Because of Coriolis force, this deflection takes place. This is an important phenomenon in climate, the Coriolis effect. I will explain. Don't worry, I will just explain. So how the earth rotates? How is the earth rotation? Towards east, it is like this, Yes, sir? Like this. Which continent sees the first sun first?
Japan.
Japan only sees. That time no continent has sees the sun. Because other continents are so far from Japan. Suppose Japan is here. Nearest place is suppose Asia. Forget that. This side, USA. When Japan sees the sun, that time it is still in the dark. That time no continent has seen the sun. Only the Japan sees it for the first time. Then other continents start seeing. Because sun, earth rotates towards east. So whichever is the easternmost place or easternmost landmass, that will see the sun first. Evening. Now the earth rotates towards east. At what speed? What is the velocity of the speed of rotation? कितना स्पीड में जाता होगा?
30 किलोमीटर.
Very little important word. ठीक है, लैटिट्यूड करते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. But let us equator let us see. So what is the perimeter of Earth?
12,000.
Earth radius कितना है? 6,000 kilometers, isn't it?
6,400.
6,400 kilometer radius of the Earth. तो perimeter कितना होगा?
12,000.
कितना मल्टीप्लाई करूँगा? 6 मल्टीप्लाई करूँगा ना?
It is 40,000 near.
40,000 kilometer perimeter ना? This is what ना? तो कितना टाइम में ये रोटेशन होता है? 24 आवर्स में. 24 आवर्स. तो पर आवर कितना हो गया? 25 2000 किलोमीटर. 1600 किलोमीटर. इसलिए 2000 कर दिया. 1600 किलोमीटर पर आवर. एरोप्लेन कितना जाता है?
800.
It cannot reach this speed, Earth rotates so fast. Even much more faster than the aeroplane. Aeroplane the domestic aeroplane maximum 500 to 600 kilometers, 700. So this is 1600 kilometers per hour it goes up. That double the speed. You never feel, yeah. Now imagine that is the rotation, of Earth. That is so fast rotation, and your air is just above it. एयर इसका ऊपर है, एयर यहाँ से उठ के कितना धीरे धीरे एयर आता है, उठ के ऐसे सेल बनाता है, इट इज गोइंग लाइक दिस, दैट इज व्हाट ना, एयर राइजेस फ्रॉम हियर, climbs up and then goes towards north. This is what the cell is doing, because the higher temperature, the lower temperature, lower pressure, higher pressure, like this na. So when it is going like this, what type of deflection it will have? That is called Coriolis force. ये इधर क्यों जाएगा? Why it will deflect like this? आप ट्रेन में जाते होंगे,
due to inertia.
inside the train, ट्रेन में हाथ नहीं तो करो आप, ट्रेन इज स्टेशनरी, आप यहाँ डाल दिया एक चॉकलेट, इसी लाइन में गिरेगा ना, इसी लाइन में गिरेगा। सपोज ट्रेन इज स्टेशनरी, ट्रेन इज मूविंग, आप यहाँ डाल दिए, किधर गिरेगा?
आगे जाएंगे।
हाँ, आप अभी तक रियलाइज नहीं किया, वही तो इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, ये इधर गिरेगा, इधर गिरेगा।
तो इनर्शिया
वही तो बात है, आप अभी तो कितना बार ट्रेन में गया ये रियलाइज नहीं किया। अब हवा देख रहा है, वो खाना खाए जो फेंक देते हैं ना, वो खाना उड़ा लेता है, इसलिए आप बोल रहे हैं इधर जाएगा। अब देखो सब कुछ धीरे धीरे ट्रेन जाता है, स्टेशनरी यहाँ गिरा ना, अब यहाँ छोड़ा, अब धीरे धीरे ट्रेन जा रहा है, किधर गिरेगा ये? इसको लेके चला जाएगा ना इधर। सेम क्वेश्चन कैसे? In the direction of the train, it will be deflected. So stationary होता तो उधर ही गिरता, ये चला जाता है ना। It is chalk is also moving in the same speed ना। आप सपोज यहीं खड़ा है, ट्रेन से आप गिर गए, स्टेशनरी ट्रेन नहीं गिरेंगे, बट आप ट्रेन से जाते हैं तो किधर गिरेंगे?
पीछे
आगे गिरेंगे।
Only due to rotation, not due to linear.
No, anything. This is a part is linear ना here. रोटेशन की बात नहीं है, रोटेशन की बात नहीं।
What is all saying about it will not happen.
Anything will happen when
It is inertia, due to inertia it will not happen.
you check.
Correlate
You see the train, BSc physics. When you are moving inside a train, inside it, आप एक बॉल फेंकते हैं, किधर जाएगा?
it will come on the head. It will not get.
Which one?
Fall.
No, from here it is going na. So that it is going out na. You are going out.
Because ball and we have the same motion in the direction of train, same velocity.
Yes. That is what. So when you are dropping it na, it is same velocity as this is also moving na.
Yeah, it has same velocity.
Same velocity. So where it will fall?
At the same place.
How?
It has same velocity.
Of what? Of what? Or of train. Train is moving 100 km. This is also moving 100 km. So by the time it will reach there, it must have deflected some distance, na?
With respect to us.
With respect to Earth, I am telling. So it will not fall in the same spot you have dropped. Follow this point now. That is why it said it is deflected in the direction of the motion. Understood this part or not telling? आप जो सोचते हैं वो हवा के बारे में सोचते हैं. Similarly, suppose this air is going this way, it will be deflected towards this. Similarly, this side it will be deflected. This is called Coriolis. This happens in train, everywhere, any moving object. ठीक है ना? Now, so this air, goes up and takes a easterly deflection and goes here. Then when it comes back, it takes this path. Similarly, So Hartley cell is oriented northeasterly in the northern hemisphere and this will be how southeasterly in the southern hemisphere.
During returning back of this cell, the lower one, why it is not further deflected toward right? Why it
See,
is not deflected?
why when it is rising up, why it is deflected towards right?
You said earth is
Why it is deflected at right? Because you see, when you are putting this chuck here, this part of the arm is not moving, So with respect to this is stationary. Understood, With respect to the train, earth is stationary. That is why it is carried away with the velocity of the train. Now suppose from here you throw a stone like this, like that, When it is coming from here, it is from a low velocity to a higher velocity it is coming, See, from this side, when the air is going from a higher velocity, it is going to a lower velocity. Lower velocity, higher velocity, understand? See here, the velocity of the earth is more. Gradually it is becoming less. It is becoming less. Here it is almost zero. Same place it is rotating. So that particle, the air particle, when it goes from here to here, from a higher velocity zone to a lower velocity zone it is going. And from there, the lower velocity zone to higher velocity zone it is coming. That is one. So here it is deflected in the direction of the earth rotation. Here this will be reflected opposite the direction. So ऐसा क्या हुआ? यहाँ से जब इधर से आप आएंगे ना ऐसा, it will not be deflected this side. It will be deflected this side. So a loop will be created, which is tilted, to Earth's latitude. In the northern hemisphere it is towards northeast. In the southern hemisphere it is southeast. ये चीज का आप समझना, क्योंकि with this ना many things depends. So how it happens, it is something like this. यहाँ से ऐसे जाएंगे सब ऐसे. So this is a high velocity zone, high velocity. This is low velocity. Low velocity. So the deflection is this way. In the upper atmosphere. This is in the upper atmosphere. But in the earth surface, they will come back like this. ऐसा. That you understood or not? Tell me. ऐसा. So Hartley cells are, these are the Hartley cells. Now, ये जो लूप है, ये ऊपर वाला, it goes off. Suppose this is the equator, like this. This is equator. The hot air goes like this. It should have gone straight here, towards the pole. Instead of going towards the pole, it would take a deflection like this. In the direction of the sun, Earth's rotation. Earth ऐसे rotate कर रहा है. यहाँ से deflect ऐसे. Understood ना? देखिए it will come down. Come down करके then it will come back in the same way, ऐसे आएगा. क्योंकि this is a, here speed is more. Here the equator, the rotation is more. The speed is more. Here speed is less. Here the 30-degree latitude it is less. So when the wind is going from here to here, the high velocity zone to low velocity zone it is going. So it is deflected in the direction of rotation. But when it is coming from here to here, it is from a low velocity zone to high velocity zone it is coming. So instead of deflecting in the direction of Earth rotation, it will be deflected opposite.
So you said it is lighter, so it rises upward.
This one, here.
You said. But why it is moving toward 30 degrees?
That is heavier, na? You see? So this part,
Why is going horizontal from equator side to 30 degrees, right?
30 degrees low pressure zone.
see here, see sun is the air is lighter and hotter. Yeah. See the thing. Why it is lighter? Because of the vapor. Why it is hotter? Because of the sun's direct. So it will rise like this.
Then here will be pressure.
Pressure difference. So this is a low pressure zone. This is a low pressure zone. Once it reaches here, it becomes cool. Becomes cool. So then rainfall happens. So this cool air will start moving, you know. This is a low pressure zone. This is a high pressure zone like that. We go like that. So here, by the time it comes here, you know, the air is dry and air is cold. So it comes down. Dry and cold. And heavier. So it will fall. So these are called Hadley cells. Now if you see on the surface of the earth, anything? आप मैं कैसे लड़के लोगों को समझाता हूँ, आप कभी बॉलिंग क्या होगा ना, क्रिकेट बॉल, तो आप ऐसे करके बॉलिंग करते हैं, लेफ्ट को स्पिन मारते हैं, बॉल कैसे जाता है? सपोज आप एक बॉल लिया, ऐसे फेंका उसको, स्पिन दिया ऐसे, तो बॉल किधर जाएगा? राइट को जाएगा। कैसे? इस तरह रोटेशन कर रहा है, उधर जाएगा। See, suppose you are looking from this side, na? The earth is a ball like this, you know. Earth is a ball like this. You are standing here and giving a spin to the earth. So air किस तरफ जाएगा? उधर ही different जाएगा. That way you remember. How to remember this part? You are standing here and throwing the ball. So you are giving a spin to the other side. So air will deflect that. That is how you can remember also. ठीक है ना? स्पिन डायरेक्शन में बॉल रोटेट करेगा, इसलिए डिफ्लेक्ट करता है। तो सेम मैनर यू नो, इफ आई कंसीडरिंग फॉर द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर, तो यहाँ खड़ा होकर आप बॉलिंग करते हैं, यहाँ बॉलिंग करते हैं। आफ्टर द बॉल ड्रॉप्स ऑन द ग्राउंड, टू टेक ए राइट हैंड स्पिन, ऐसे लेके जाएगा। So there is also moving like that. And return path you can assume, you know, by joining these two parts. ठीक है? So this is called Coriolis effect. But I am here. आप सुना होगा साउथ ईस्टर्न मानसून, हाउ द इंडियन रेनफॉल्स हैपन, साउथ ईस्ट मानसून और साउथ वेस्ट मानसून, क्या बोलते हैं? साउथ वेस्ट मानसून क्यों बोलते हैं?
Comes from the southwest. The winds come from the southwest.
ये इंडिया है, this is the equator, this is equator. The wind comes like this, you know, and it creates rainfall. यहाँ से क्यों आता है wind? Why not from this side? Why not directly? No, understand this part, because of the Coriolis effect. That is why it is a southwesterly monsoon. A return
Northeast.
नॉर्थ-ईस्ट, क्यों? Coriolis effect. यही सेल हार्डली सेल जाएगा इधर से, ताकि इसको घुमा के लाएगा। Understood ना? So this is southeasterly monsoon because it comes from southeast. Southwesterly monsoon because it comes from southwest. And return is northeasterly return. Understood?
From Bengal.
Yeah, from Bay of Bengal or further, you know, it comes like this. But southwesterly monsoon, why it takes a turn like this? Because of this Coriolis effect. Otherwise it would have gone straight, na? ऐसे क्यों गया? So this happens in all the land masses, in all the continents. A deflection, which we will read in the next class. Tell me. Anything?